I sell my car diffusers for $8 each, but at craft fairs, I give them away for free. Sounds crazy, right? But this one strategy is why my candles started flying off the table, and it follows the rule I now live by, which is it's either free or full price, never discounted. If you're new here, I'm Dominique, the founder of Zovia Fragrances, and I built a fragrance business selling candles, room sprays, and car diffusers. And after testing this approach at real fairs, I saw firsthand how powerful it is. In this video, I'm going to break down why discounts destroy your margins and why free creates irresistible offers, and how you can use this same strategy to protect your brand and increase sales. And first off, I want to apologize. I just got 5 teeth taken out, so it's a little hard to talk. I wasn't sure if I was going to make a video today, but here we are. So here's the problem with discounts. They train your customers to wait. The second you run one sale, people start thinking, why buy today when I can just wait until the next deal? And that kills urgency and makes your revenue unpredictable. Instead of creating loyal buyers, you just taught them to sit on the sidelines until you lower your price again. The second problem is discounts destroy perceived value. So again, let's say I sell my candle for $20. And then I mark it down to $15. What did I just tell my customer? I just told them that it was never really worth $20 in the first place. And that matters, because in products like luxury candles or diffusers, price signals quality. Slash the price, and you've just told them that your product isn't premium anymore. Over time, that erodes trust, right? So once your customer treats your product like a commodity, it's almost impossible to raise your price back up. And the third problem is simple. Discounts cut straight into your margins. If I take $5 off a $20 candle, that's $5 gone forever. 10 candles, that's $50. 100 candles, that's $500. That's money that could have gone into better packaging, inventory, or marketing. Instead, it's just gone. And the worst part, you're not losing margin on some low-cost add-on, you're losing it on your flagship product, the item that's supposed to represent your brand and carry your business forward. And here's the crazy part. When you discount, you're not just losing money, you're actually signaling to your customers that your product isn't worth full price. That's the exact opposite of what you want when you're building a premium brand. So that's why I stopped discounting altogether. I now use a completely different strategy. One that protects my margins while making my customers more excited to buy. And it starts with giving my car diffusers away for free. Here's exactly what I do at fairs. If you buy 1 candle, you get 2 car diffusers completely free. Now normally, I retail my diffusers for $8 each. Customers see that on my table, so when they realize they're getting $16 worth of free products, it feels like a massive win. But here's the truth, my actual cost to include those 2 diffusers is much lower compared to the profit I make on the candle. So instead of knocking $5 off the candle and losing margin, I stack value with something that costs me less but feels worth so much more to the customer, right? And I didn't just invent this. This idea comes from my biggest business idol, Alex Hormozy, right? And again, his rule is simple, free or full price, never discount. Discounts kill value, free flips psychology. So when you give something away for free, customers feel like they just won and they're more excited to buy, right? So I tested this at a fair and the results honestly shocked me. So before, people would come up, grab a diffuser for $8 and never even look at the candle. My high ticket item was being ignored. But when I flipped the offer to buy a candle, get 2 diffusers free, everything changed. Every single customer actually bought a candle. The candle went from being a maybe to being the obvious choice. And that's when I realized how powerful this strategy really was. The lesson, bundles flip buyer psychology. Instead of discounting my candle and lowering its value, I made the candle more attractive by stacking value on top, right? Customers left thinking they got a massive deal and I walked away protecting my margins. That's the difference between playing defense with discounts and playing offense with irresistible offers. Free builds excitement, discounts destroy trust. And once you see the difference, you'll never go back. And here's the big difference. Free feels exciting. Discounts feel cheap. When customers hear free, they light up. When they hear discount, they start wondering if the product was overpriced to begin with. Free builds perceived value. Customers feel like they're getting more than they paid for, like they just scored something rare. Discounts flip it. They say, the product was never really worth full price. Free makes people feel like winners. Discounts make them question you. And it's not just logic, it's emotion. Free creates joy, surprise, even reciprocity. People want to give back. Nobody brags to their friends, I just saved $5. But they do say, I bought a candle, I got 2 of these diffusers for free. That's a story worth sharing. And finally, free strengthens your brand while discounting weakens it. Free lets you keep your main product at full value, while the bonus feels like an unexpected gift. Discounting your candor lowers the standard of your entire line. Free adds, discount subtracts. And the best part, free doesn't just excite customers in the moment, it sets you up for repeat sales. So let me explain how. So here's what most people miss. Giving away a product for free isn't about losing money. It's about playing the long game. That free item introduces your customers to another piece of your brand that they may have never even tried. Once they experience it, that's when the strategy starts to pay off. When someone gets my diffusers for free, they don't just toss them aside, they hang one in their car, smell it every day, and start to connect that fragrance with my brand. Once they realize how strong it is, how long it lasts, and how much they enjoy it, that freebie becomes a product they want again. Now free turns into a trial. Trial turns into a habit. And here's where the magic happens. When they want another diffuser, they don't just wait for the next fair, they just go straight to my website, and online, those diffusers are full price, $8 each. And they don't hesitate to pay because they already know the product works. That freebie removed all risk. Now they're confident buyers, not just curious shoppers. And that's the beauty of this strategy. The free diffuser isn't a loss, it's an acquisition tool. I'm using a low-cost, high-margin product to bring in new customers to my brand. Once they've experienced it, they come back for more diffusers. And they remember the candle too. Free isn't a thing that drains my business. Free is a thing that feeds it. So remember this, free isn't the loss, free is the hook. And this ties directly into the rule I now live by, the Hormozy principle. It's either free or it's full price, nothing in between. And it doesn't just apply to candles or diffusers. This rule works across every industry. Think about gyms offering free trials or software companies with free versions. Free gets people in the door. Once they trust it, they happily pay full price. Discounting, on the other hand, erodes trust and cheapens your brand. And this is why I've adopted this into my business. I tested it, I saw the results, and it proved to me that this isn't a theory, it's real. And it's why I model my approach after people who've scaled using these exact strategies. Now, if you want to go deeper, I've got a few resources for you. First, I just launched a free community on School. It's designed for candle and diffuser makers to connect, share ideas, and grow together. It's brand new, which means if you join now, you'll get more access to me directly and help shape how this community grows. The link's in the description. Secondly, check out my Candle Makers Academy. The first module, from hobbyists to entrepreneurs, is 90+ pages of training, plus about 10 worksheets that walk you step by step through branding, budgeting, and preparing for your first sales. It's $147 value, but right now I just have it at $14 while I collect more testimonials. And if you're part of my Inner Circle group here on YouTube, then you get it completely free. Just email me for the code. And finally, if you need supplies, I've partnered with Makesy. You can grab jars, wax, wicks directly through my website, and the links are also down there too. Those resources are there if you want to dive deeper, but let's wrap this up with one last reminder. So here's the takeaway. Discounts destroy value, but free creates it. Free makes customers feel like they're winning, while full price keeps your brand strong and your margins safe. That's the principle I now live by. Free or full price, nothing in between. Protect your value, build offers that excite people, and watch how much faster your products start to move. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.